In today's comprehensive walkthrough, we'll be diving into Thinkific, a powerful online course creation and delivery platform. Whether you're an educator, entrepreneur, or anyone looking to share knowledge and monetize your expertise, Thinkific can be your go-to solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the key features and show you how to get started with Thinkific. Thinkific is an all-in-one platform that allows you to create, market, and sell your online courses. So, let's get started. Click on the first link which is given in the video description. This is an affiliate link, which will provide you 1 month trial of Thinkific for no extra cost, so make sure to use it before creating an account. It will take you to this page. Here click on the Start for Free option. Then, on this page, simply fill in the email, name, phone number and a strong password. Once you're done, click on the Create Account button. It will redirect you to this page. Here it will ask you some questions, like about the industry of your business, whether you already have a learning business, and a couple of more questions. Simply answer all these questions, as they are survey questions which will help you in creating your course according to your specifications. Once you're done, you will see a message displayed on the screen, which will say congratulations on joining Thinkific. And then you'll be automatically redirected to the dashboard of Thinkific. By clicking on this button, you can take a Thinkific tour, so that you can get used to the features of this software. The left panel will display various options, so let's discuss them. This is the progress bar, which will keep a track of your progress in successful course creation. By the end of this video, the progress bar will be 100%. Next you have the Manage Learning Products. From here you can create your courses, and set up your lectures. Set up memberships, bundles and video library as well. Then you have Design the Site, which has site pages, theme library, set up categories, and you can also take a preview of your website. Next, you have Market and Sell, where you can create funnels, coupons, set sales widgets, check orders, affiliates, and more. Alright, now, let's move further in the video. Thinkific provides a video on how to get started with this software. You can watch this tutorial video for more understanding. Now scroll down and click on the Begin Course Checklist option. Then, on this page, click on the Create Your First Course option. Here, it will give you various types of templates to choose from, like blank, pre-sell, mini course, flagship course, and more. We will proceed with the blank template. So click on the Choose button. Here, fill in the name of your course. We are creating a YouTube SEO course. You can check this AI outline generator box so that it can help you create the course without any hassle. Then click on the Create Course button. Alright, now, it asks you about some details regarding your course, so let's quickly answer all these questions properly, as it will help AI to generate a basic outline for your course. Now it will show you a preface of your generated outline. You regenerate this by clicking on this button. These outlines can also be edited later, so click on the Create Course button. It will take you to the editor. This is the outline that AI has created. Now let's try editing a section. So click on this section. And then click on the title to edit the text. Next, we will add some content here. So let's simply paste the content. You can also add various images, videos, links, and URL in the content section. And hit the Save button. Just like this, we will personalize all these sections and lessons as per our requirements. Now, let's try adding more chapters in the course. So click on this button. Then here, fill in the title of your chapter. And then hit Save. To add lessons in this chapter, click on the Add Lesson button. From here, you can choose the type of content you want to add. You can add videos, texts, PDF, audio, presentation, and more. And you're good to go. Next, let's analyze the bulk importer settings. So click on this bulk importer option. Using bulk importer, you can upload multiple videos and images in a single go. Simply click on the Browse Files option and then upload the files. And you're good to go. Remember that the bulk importer is a powerful tool, but it's essential to be diligent in preparing your data. Now, click on the Settings option. The left panel will display various setting options such as basic settings, course image and description, course player appearance, course progress and completion, SEO settings, and course welcome email. The basic settings will allow you to modify the course name. You can copy this course URL from here, and you can also change the access settings of your course whether you want to make this course a private or a hidden one. You can also delete this course by clicking on the Delete This Course button. As you scroll down, you will see various options like, you can add the course image and the description. Then you can also change the theme of your course and more. Simply set these settings according to your specifications. The SEO settings will allow you to set up various search engine optimization keywords that will help your content to reach the right target audience. Next is the drip settings, so click on the drip option. A drip schedule allows you to control when students will have access to your course content, that is, whether you have a specific launch date or want to limit that amount of lessons that can be viewed in a certain time period. The drip settings will be enabled only if you upgrade to a purchase plan. Next is the pricing. So, click on the Prices option. From here, you can set the pricing of your course. There are various options, like you can set the course for free or you can set a one-time payment. There are various other options, like subscriptions or membership and more, but you can use these options only if you have a purchase plan. We will set the course price for free. Alright, next is the After Purchase option. This feature allows you to connect with the students after they purchase a course on Thinkific. The students can have access to the course content and features we set up, such as lessons, quizzes, assignments, and any other resources. Now, it's time to publish the course. So, click on the Publish option. Here you have to set the publish status of your course. Currently, the course is in a draft mode. Simply click on the Published option. And then hit Save. Your course is successfully published. By clicking on this Preview button, you can take a preview of the course. Now, let's move further in the video. Next, we're going to build our landing page. Before we do that, we need to choose a theme. So let's come back to our dashboard. Here, click on the Design Your Site option, and then choose Theme Library. From here, you can see your current theme, which is set as Vogue. Click on the Explore Themes option. Thinkific offers various themes to choose from. Now, we will set our current theme as Empire. So click on the View Details option. And then choose the Install Empire option on the bottom right. Next, click on the Yes, Copy My Content option. And then click on the Got It option. To set this theme in our published course, click on the My Themes option. Scroll down, here you will see your installed theme. Click on the Publish button on the theme. And it's done. Now let's proceed with building our landing page. Click on the Manage Learning Products and then choose Courses. Select the published course, it will take you to the editor. Here you have to choose Build Landing Page option. The landing page has header and footer as default. This is the banner of the course. Click on the Theme settings and select the styles. We will proceed with the Spark style, and then click on the Apply button. By clicking on the Colors option, you can change the color of your landing page. The background, the text header, and footer, all the color settings can be customized from here. And then hit Save. To add any section in the landing page, click on the Add section. It will give you various options to choose from, like categories, checklist, a countdown timer, and more. By dragging and dropping, you can arrange the sections according to your specifications. Do not forget to hit Save every time a Save button pops up. There are various modes of viewing, like desktop, mobile, or a full screen. This will help you to design your landing page that is suitable for both desktop and mobile phones. Just like this, you can customize the whole landing page as per your specifications. Click on this button. Here you will see all the default pages of your site, like Homepage, All Courses, Checkout, Coming Soon page, Sign In and Sign Up as well. You have to personalize all these pages as per your liking. Let's quickly customize the Sign In page. Click on the Sign In option. And you are good to go. Lastly, we will take a preview of our website. Now come back to the dashboard. Click on the Design Your Site option, and then choose Preview Website. This is our website. To share the course, you can simply copy this link. And you're done. Now you know all the basics to create a successful course and customize your landing page as well. Just like this, you can create community and launch your checklist. Thinkific also provides integration option, using which you can integrate your courses through mails to other applications. so simply click on the Integration option. Integration in Thinkific refers to the ability to connect or link your Thinkific online course platform with other third-party software, services, or tools. These integrations are designed to enhance the functionality of your online courses. It allows integration to various applications like Zoom, Zapier, and MailChimp. Now, let's discuss the pricing plan in Thinkific. There are basically 4 categories of plans. They are Basic, Start, Grow, and Expand. All of them offers different functionality that can help your business grow. So purchase a plan that will suit your requirements. That's it for the video. In this video, we covered a lot of ground, from setting up your Thinkific account, creating engaging course content, customizing your site, to marketing and monetization strategies. Until then, keep creating amazing courses on Thinkific. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more insightful tutorials on online course creation and edtech tools. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video.